before the plumping begins. Alright, so now let's get started. I've got my timer here and we're going to do this in 1 minute intervals. So let's get this suctioned on and we'll set that timer. Close my mouth. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so if you are wanting really full lips, yeah, okay, I haven't actually done it for 4 full minutes yet. I've just been doing 2 minutes and getting my mouth accustomed to it. That is incredible. All right, let's put some lipstick on here.
The CandyLipz Lip Plumper is a one-of-a-kind. It is a hand-operated lip enhancer powered by an ancient Chinese cupping suction technique that uses negative pressure to enlarge the lips. CandyLipz has a flexible silicone bladder built with a specific firmness, safe for lip enhancement. This element allows users to compress and release the plumper at comfortable levels. Lips are enhanced in compartmentalized fixed volume. CandyLipz has a built-in patented extreme lip shaper system designed to work on 15 anatomical lip zones, including the philtral column and corners of the mouth. You can create 2 fun looks, single-lobed and double-lobed. The double-lobed look creates a cute dent on the lower lip. The central platform has many functions. It compartmentalizes the upper and lower lips. It is a blocker holder, allowing users the option to work on each lip separately if desired. The central platform is necessary for evening out grooves along the underside of the upper lip, and it keeps the top of the lower lip from overexpanding. The upper chamber has a curvaceous arch which includes the formation of the cupid's bow. The back wall and slit reduce negative pressure strength. These elements slow the enlargement process as the upper lip tends to expand faster than the lower lip. CandyLipz is not a tube. Engineered elements work in concert, guiding the lips to form beautifully and smoothly in each and every lip enhancement session. Fun and easy to use anytime and anywhere.